Hello everyone, welcome to ITCS Master. I hope you are all doing well. So today we are going to see today we are going to see 19 part of ongoing Excel series. We have already covered 18 part, and if you have not seen yet, please see and visit. This series is started from basic to advanced. Okay, here you can see last part is 18 part where we have learned trim, power, mode, floor. We have already covered count if, sum if, today, year. Okay, we have covered many formulas. Okay, so today we are going to see most important formula, that is VLOOKUP. I hope you have listened about that, and it is very important formula for finding and searching a data. You can search a data, you can get data from a one sheet to other sheet and one file to other file. Okay, one file to other file. So before starting, before starting, please subscribe this channel if you are new, and and share with others, groups and friends. Okay, so let's begin. So today we will see VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is stand for vertical lookup. We have three types lookup, mostly which is very popular: VLOOKUP, and second one HLOOKUP, and third one is XLOOKUP. We can work with XLOOKUP where we don't need of VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Okay, so XLOOKUP is the advanced formula of VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. Sorry, HLOOKUP. So first we will see VLOOKUP. Let's see definition. What is definition of VLOOKUP? Here you can see definition of VLOOKUP. Looks for a value in the leftmost column. Leftmost column means that column, first column of a table, and then return a value in the same row from a column. Same row, that means suppose I am taking this value, then it will return data from same row, that row. Okay, row from a column you specify. Okay, by default the table must be sorted in a ascending order. I hope definition is clear. VLOOKUP is vertical lookup. So first we begin regular example. Suppose first I am taking a single sheet. Okay, then we will cover a VLOOKUP formula in 2 and 3 videos. First, today we are going to see basic only. Okay, suppose we need I am taking a regular formula like suppose you want your order status. Okay, you want order status. Suppose you have ordered from Flipkart, Amazon, or any other shopping site, and suppose you want to search your order. Just you click on your order, and where you can see all status of your order. Similarly, we will see with VLOOKUP, and so let's see how we will use VLOOKUP. I've selected VLOOKUP. Here you can see VLOOKUP. Here we have a 4 parameters. Okay, we will see one by one. What is first parameter is lookup value. What is lookup value? Lookup value means which value do you want to find. Okay, which value do you want to find? Suppose I selected first. Okay, A2. I want to this value. Find table array. From which, okay, from which table, from which data do you want to return data? Okay, do you want to return data? Yeah, do you want data? Okay, from which table, from which array do you want data? So here I am, suppose I am taking data from here. Okay, I need data from this. Here similarly you can use second sheet and other file. We will see those in next videos. Okay, now index, column index. Which column value do you want? Okay, which column value do you want? Here we want suppose 1 2 3 and 4, four number value. Okay, I want 4 number value, so here I mentioned fourth. And now we have two options, true and false. True is approximate match and false is exact match. I need, suppose I want exact match. Okay, so here I've selected exact match and enter. Here you can see status of the order is on the way. Okay, it's a very basic and starting. I know it is very you are thinking it's very easy, and it is not useful, but it's very useful when you will use it with multiple tables, multiple sheets and multiple files. Okay, so similarly you can find data all value. Just click here and click on plus sign. Here you can see all value are appeared. I hope it is clear. And if you need this working sheet, so you can download this working sheet from our Telegram channel. I have uploaded all videos working sheet in our Telegram channel. Telegram channel is mentioned in description box. Now next we will see new thing which is very important. I know you are aware about data validation. You can see drop down. Okay, it's a very useful formula for reporting your manager and finding data easy. Okay, here I go to data, and here you can see option data validation. Okay, data validation. Here allow any value, whole number. You can give your value also. I need a list. Okay, I need a list. Which list? Suppose I need this list. Okay, I selected all list. I need this list. Okay, and enter. Okay, here you can see here drop down is appeared. When I clicked here, here you can see all value is appeared. All value is appeared. Now it is important which I am saying that you can find a status of your single order. Now again I use okay, okay, again I use VLOOKUP. Here I writing VLOOKUP and lookup value this. I'm taking lookup value. Oh, sorry, just a minute. Okay, VLOOKUP and lookup value this. I've taken lookup value range. Okay, table array range. Suppose I want value from that. Okay, I've taken range, this range, and it is asking again. Then next is column index. Okay, next is column index. Suppose I want data similarly fourth number index and exact match. Okay, and enter. Here you can see not applicable because we have not select any value, because we have given, here you can see we have given this value. I am looking this value h column value. Here you can see formula h2. I am looking value from h2 value, but when I search one value, suppose here I am search 46049 status, so here you can see status is on the way. Similarly, if I need a 46055 status, so shipped, you can cross verify this 46005. 4605 status is shipped. Similarly, you can choose status of other value. Here we have all value on the way 460. I hope it is clear. And if you have any doubt, just post your comment. And in next video we will see multiple sheet with multiple sheet. Okay, how we will use multiple sheet. Okay, it's very important if you are accountant, a data entry operator, very important formula. So for further videos, please subscribe and share this channel. Thank you. Dhanyavad.